Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So it is a very exciting video because we are doing a unboxing of the new Erin Condren planners. Yes, planters, because I got two and it's very exciting. I got the monthly deluxe planner, the 7.9, and I also got the life planner for nursing school that I'm going to start in January. It's like 2 weeks from now. So I'm super excited about that. Now, if you would like to purchase your new one or your brand, if you want to try it out or whatever, the link will be down below in my description. Whenever you sign up first, you will get $10 off your first purchase. And I do get a couple of points, so that is very exciting. So it's a win-win. But if you would like to join the Erin Condren family, the link will be down below. So let me know. And yeah, so let's just get right into it. If you are new, hello, my name is Shirley. I am Thrifty Asian, if you want to call me Thrifty Asian, or you can just call me Shirley. I do a lot of budgetings. Now I am in nursing school, so maybe I will film like a day in the life with my life planner, plan with me's, all that stuff. So it's super, super exciting, and thank you for joining me on this journey. I also do money challenges, so we have new money challenges coming in January and the rest of the year for 2021. So that's super exciting. And make sure you go and comment a 5-letter word, a 5-letter word. A lot of people already guessed what I'm going to be doing, but I wanted to interact with y'all. So leave down a 5-letter word. It is for a money challenge that we are going to be doing in January. So I wanted to interact with you guys so y'all can follow along also with the money challenges next year. But yeah, so let's get right into it. Like I said, I did get two planners. This is my old planner and I absolutely love this planner. And I absolutely love the cover. Sometimes the smallest step in the right directions ends up being the biggest step of your life. So this is very true in my life right now, and it's a very good motivation. So I might actually take this off and put it on my new planner, but we shall see, because I don't remember what planners I got. Jared actually helped me pick them out because he did pay for it, because it's part of my Christmas. So let's do a unboxing. So there you go. So we have the really pretty blue. We're going to unbox this part first. So this is the Erin Condren monthly planner. And I'm going to put this box aside. And this is the 7.9 planner. I'm going to zoom y'all in just a little bit. And then I did change the cover. So it says, very thankful, incredibly grateful, unbelievably blessed. And it has my name. So next year when I'm married, which I don't have my ring on now. Next year when I'm married, then it will change. Now I feel like this is a little bit thinner, but maybe it's because I have stickers and everything. But look, it's a little bit thinner. Maybe I did it wrong. I don't think I did though. So January through March and then April. I don't think I did, but I believe it's because of the stickers and all that stuff that we did throughout the year. All right, so we're just going to quickly just run through this if you are new and you do not know what is in the monthly planner. So we're just going to flip in here. Now, these are removable right here, like I said. And it's a little tough to get back on because I do have nails and I never wear nails. All right, so let's go. So the front, you can put your name on it. And then it has a lot of encouraging words. Have enough courage to start and enough heart to finish, which is very pretty. And I did choose the marble effect on this. So I thought that was really pretty. And then you get a layout of all of the months from July 2020, which it starts on July 20. I thought it starts in January. Oh, well, so this one, it starts July 2020, just on this page, July 2020 to December of 2021. And then we have new beginning, new mindset, and new focus, new start, new intentions, and new results. So this will be really fun. So I'm going to be doing the 2021 goals on here. So I'm going to do my money goals and I'm going to do my personal goals and probably school goals. So that is super excited. I love this. I don't think it had that at the last one, did it? It might have, and I might have not just done it. Oh, it did. It did. Right here. Oh, well, but absolutely love this. So I am going to do my goals on this page. So be on the lookout because that is going to be coming sometime this week or the beginning of next week. And then you have an extra sheet of paper. You have more quotes. Wherever you are, be all there. And then we're going to flip to the first page of the month, January of 2021. So I usually buy stickers and budget kits from different people that I am really good friends here on YouTube. So I usually buy them, and it's usually like Temperance XOXO, Simply Cami, all of them. So they are really fun. And then next, this page. So I've seen a lot of people do different stuff on this page. I can never figure out what to do. Like a lot of people do like their debt. Some people do like monthly goals right here. I'm not sure. I've seen so many, like somebody did birthday. So that's pretty fun. I'm not sure what I'm actually going to be doing. So then you get extra sheet of papers for your budget kits. So I do weekly check-ins, sinking funds, and paycheck number 1 and number 2. So those fit on here, which is super exciting. So extra sheet of paper, and then it has another quote, do it with all your heart. So it just has different ones. So that is pretty much everything that comes on every month. So we are going to be skipping on to the back and see what they have. So let's see. So you have extra, you don't have extra sheet of paper. This is what it is, because on the last one, it had a ton of extra pieces of paper. So that is crazy. A ton of extra piece of paper. So maybe I did not want extra paper. I don't know what I ordered really, you guys. So I'm probably going to still use this for the extra loose leaf paper for like my businesses and stuff like that, just to jot stuff down. So we do have like a couple of them. It's not a lot. And then moving on is another layout for 2022. So that is pretty fun. I have not seen anybody use this. I'm not sure. So if you know anything that I could do for 2022, maybe like my debt for each month, what to do with that. So that would be fun. And then we have some extra stickers. So I have a ton of extra stickers, which I'm very grateful for because I'm always using stickers, but I'm also buying stickers from other sources on Etsy and on here and everything. But yeah, so this is my planner for 2021. It's going to be super exciting, you guys. And I can't not wait to use this and to, you know, show y'all every single week. All right, so we are going to be moving towards the next box, which came in this really pretty blue box. It's kind of like a light blue. So I'm super excited because this is actually my planner for school. This is the Life Planner. This is the 7.9 Life Planner. And we have the really pretty darker blue color. And here it is, you guys. Isn't that gorgeous? And the cover, so it comes with a ruler, which I did not know that. So the cover, a little backstory, because I have the stethoscope and everything, is one, I am a surgical technologist, so I work in the operating room. No, I do not carry a surgical technologist, but I do work in the medical, or I do not carry a surgical technologist. I do not carry a stethoscope, but I am working in the medical field. I have one-on-one with patients and everything, and I work in the operating room. So I chose this because I am in healthcare and everything, and this is pretty much a reminder that this is going to be my future because I am going to nursing school in January, which I'm super happy and super nervous about it. So this is why I did it. And then the quote says, some superheroes wear scrubs, which I wear scrubs every single day, you guys. Which I am actually going PRN, so I won't be wearing scrubs as much, but I'm still going to be important, you guys. All right, so we are going to be flipping. So I've never owned a life planner, which I've seen tons and tons of people do videos on it, so I'm super excited about that. So this has a really pretty, like, translucent, I guess you can say, translucent paper. and it has flowers and everything, and then you flip and it says Life Planner, and then, you know, you can put your name on it and everything. Really pretty flowers and details. It's so pretty, you guys. And it has also the same quotes as it does for the other planner, the monthly planner. So as always, it starts from January 2020 and then December of 2021. And then you have the same thing right here. So I'm probably going to do, I'll probably do school goals on this one. And then the other one will be personal and also, well, maybe not personal, maybe personal and school goals should be on this one because it is a life planner. But we will see, you'll see a video on it, I promise. Oh my God, these are just such really pretty. Like, the video does not do it justice because this is actually like a darker color blue, and it's just beautiful, you guys. All right, so first off, it's January 2020, so here is the monthly layout and everything that they have, and then the same layout as it does on the other one. So then I chose to do the hourly because I feel like I can do a lot more with every hour on the hour at the house and everything, or at school. So I feel like that this will be a lot more easier for me. So I just zoomed in just a little bit. So it starts at 6 a.m., which I'm usually up by 7 a.m. So it starts at 7 a.m. and then it ends at 7 p.m., which school usually ends about 3 or 4 p.m. So my day will be jam-packed, but that is totally fine. So it has a little lines, and then I will probably just write in, like, what am I going to do? Like, make sure you eat lunch, because I will probably forget to eat lunch. I'm not going to lie. Make sure, you know, all the tests that's going to be due and everything else. So that is going to be super fun. Like I said, I've never used a life planner before. And then it still goes on for the whole month. So that is super exciting. And then you have one extra blank sheet. So then you have different other, you know, every month has a different color, which it's so beautiful, you guys. I'm just going to flip through real quick and just show y'all. So this is just, oh my gosh, I love it so much. I might love this more than I love my monthly planner. So if you want to see a plan with me on my life planner for like nursing school and stuff, or just a week of stuff that I have to do, then let me know down below, because I will definitely do that. So let's just flip all the way to December. Now, I did opt out for notes on this one, just a little bit of notes. Just a little bit, so I could just jot down some stuff real quick for school and everything. So that will be fun. And let's see, let's keep in touch. So there's name, and I guess names and numbers, contacts. Never had that before, so that's pretty fun. I probably put mostly like school stuff, like email addresses and everything, just so I can remember that. And then you have your layout for January 2022 to December of 2022. And then you have beautiful, beautiful stickers. Like, some of it is foil, so that is really, really pretty. And then it says today, reschedule, cancel this week. Oh my gosh, and then you have birthdays and celebrations. This is so cute. And then you have some little tabs, or as I call it, budget stickers. And then you have a envelope, which is fun. Oh, what is this? Oh my gosh, what is this? Let's see. Oh, plan for tomorrow, celebrate today, calendar and contacts. That is awesome. Now, I wish the lines were a little bit bigger, or I can have more lines, but that is awesome. And then all the dates, like holidays and stuff, that's crazy. Oh, this is cool. I do have a password planner, but this will be really good to carry in my purse for school. And then we have a little note from the creator. Let's see. Let's see. What little goodies do I get from here? So you have little cards. So it's like kind of, you can make these into gift tags. You lift me up. Your potential is endless. I'm so proud of you. This is going to be my graduation. I'm so proud of you because I'm going to be so proud of myself when I graduate in 2 years. Is this a sticker? Oh, it's a sticker. How cute. Just a little something from... Oh, so it's like you can put it on like a gift and stuff. And here is some more. Oh, 20% off your next purchase. Share the savings with a friend. So like I said, my link will be down below. And then you have a little note from the creator, which is super awesome. So I'm just going to put this back into the envelope. And I'm actually going to put this in here too. Alright, you guys, so that is it. So these are my 2 planners. So I got the life planner and I also got the monthly planner. I hope y'all have a great week. I hope y'all enjoyed this video also, and let me know if you are a Erin Condren fan. If you have different other planners that you use. I know a lot of people use, I think, plum paper, I believe, which I have been looking into using that also, maybe in the next year or so. So let me know down below. And yeah, so also make sure you comment a 5-letter word for a money challenge video that we are going to be doing in a couple of days. But anyways, I love you guys and thank you for supporting me, supporting my channel. Absolutely love each and every one of you guys. And here's to 2021. This is our year, you guys. We got this. We have each other's back and we are going to thrive. Anyways, I will see you guys later. Bye.